Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. So today we're going up to we're going a couple of different places. So first we're going up to Huntington Beach. We're going to meet some of the MV guys at the Starbucks up there, and then from there we're going to go to the bike shed out in LA just to check out some nice bikes. You know, get a nice little like ride in, and then we're actually going to be coming back to Huntington to do the SUPERBIKES by the beach. So I've never gone to this. I don't know if it's like a new thing or not, but you know, they posted and I was like, hey, why not? You know, I haven't taken this bike out in a while, so I might as well, especially since I just got new tires as well. So I was like, let's break in the tires, you know what I'm saying, just have a good time. And it's actually been a while since I actually got to hang out with my friends from up north, you know, so it should be a fun time, man. So with that being said, there is some news. So pretty much I kind of gave you guys a rundown of like what's going on with the MV in the last video. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys like what's going on with the RX-8, because once again, now this car is down. So basically what happened was, you know, I was just, you know, driving it back and forth to work. Wasn't really going anywhere because I just didn't have anywhere to go or really felt like going out at all. So the car was just, you know, not getting that much mileage put on it, and you know, that's my fault. But I took my family out because we were, you know, going to go get some food. So I was like, I'll take the car. Haven't really driven it that much, and you know, as you know, we're driving, like we're on the on ramp, and I go to downshift, you know, pick up some speed, and then all of a sudden, like the car is acting like it doesn't want to go anywhere, and the cell light comes on and it starts flashing, and then eventually I was like, okay, I put the car in neutral, and as I'm coasting, the car just dies, man. I tried restarting it and nothing. I thought maybe, you know, a spark plug wire popped off or, you know, something like that, but when I eventually got the car home, you know, I've been messing with this car I was messing with it for like, probably like 2 weeks. I checked the spark plugs, like they're pretty dirty, but like, they weren't like unusable dirty, you know? Like, I checked that, I checked the spark plug wires, everything was seated correctly, the coils are fine, like none of them blew up or anything crazy like that. After that, I, you know, just searched on the forums and stuff. I checked the airflow sensor, make sure that didn't get, you know, caked up with anything. Also checked the ECC sensor. I cleaned that off pretty good, and then, like I said, the car cranks, but it just won't turn over, you know. So I think that maybe it could be like a dead cell in the battery or something, and because like I said, the battery was very dead. Like after me trying to start it like 2 or 3 times, like the battery would like lose like almost half its charge. So I'm thinking it may be like a battery and a spark plug issue. Because the only other factor is I did put some seafoam in it, so I'm thinking the seafoam was just like doing its job, clearing stuff out, and cleared out so much fucking carbon and shit that, you know, the spark plugs can't spark anymore because they're just covered in, you know, oil because rotary and seafoam and, you know, carbon. So I'm probably gonna order some spark plugs next time I get paid and whatnot, and then I'll see if that, you know, helps. And if it doesn't turn over then I'll probably just, you know, just pay the money, send it up to Neptune speed, let Yoshi work on it, because like I said, he's amazing. He gets things done very, very fast. And, you know, he's just a real authentic guy. So if anything, it's just gonna go to Neptune speed again. Yoshi will work his magic and she'll be back running again. Because I needed to take it back to him anyway, because I needed to replace one of the control arms because it was like bent. So I needed to get that taken care of as well, and then obviously after that get an alignment. But yeah, man, like I don't even know, man. It was such a like weird, like it just happened like so fast and like just like out the blue that it kind of just threw me off, you know. So hopefully we can get the car, you know, back up and running soon, because there's also a Mazda event that Celto C Cars and Coffee is hosting. It's like a nice little Mazda event, you know, just to celebrate, you know, all the different Mazda sports cars. And I would really, really like to, you know, go to that and, you know, show the car off a little bit, clean her up and everything. But I can't do that if he's braking. So, yeah, with that being said, like, that's what's going on with the RX-8. And, you know, as far as, you know, this bike's concerned, like I said, I got the new tires. For some reason, like, my rear brake wasn't working. It hasn't worked in like a while. I, you know, tried bleeding it and stuff like that, and it just wasn't working. And then when I took it in for the tires, you know, the guys at North County Moto Concepts, they freaking did the vacuum bleed and it started working. So like I said, now I have rear brakes again. So thank you guys. I appreciate you guys, you know, helping me out, getting some, you know, tires thrown on and, you know, fixing my rear brake. Because I just kind of like dropped it on them. I was like, hey, can you guys do this? And they were just like, yeah, sir, just bring it in. So I appreciate those guys a lot. Alright, I'm getting over. Yeah. Is there an accident up here, or? I thought there might have been an accident or something up here, but looks like the fire truck was just trying to get on the highway. Yeah, that's what it looks like. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much what's going on. Like, but anyway, now that the fire truck got back on the highway, yeah, what I was saying was, as far as the Gixxer, I do need to get the major service done on it, so, you know, take care of the valves and all that. I'm also, since I don't even know if the forks have ever been done on this bike, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get that done and taken care of. So the plan is to basically just, you know, swap the MV in the Gixxer. So the MV, whenever I get the MV back, you know, just do a 1-for-1 swap, drop this bike off with North County Moto Concepts, have them do the servicing and everything, and then, you know, just from there ride the MV until this is done, and then hopefully by then I'll have 2 bikes back. like in the garage again. Hopefully, you know, everything in the garage will be happy again. Because I don't know what's been going on these past couple of like 2-3 years, but it seems like everything's just like, everything wants attention. Every vehicle wants my attention for something, which is crazy because like I give my vehicles a lot of attention as it is. But yeah, oh yeah, there is an accident. Yep. Let's slow down here. Oh, it's on the other side. Oh, it's a bike. Damn, it was an ape. Oh shit. Man, I hope they're okay, man. Cause that ape was pretty torn up. Always be like really vigilant when you're out here, man. Like I've seen some pretty bad accidents since I've been out here, and you know what I'm saying, just make sure you guys are, you know, riding safe, staying within your limits, and just watch out for freaking dummies, man. Like I can't tell you how many times I've almost been hit out here just because people out here, like texting and driving is like a normal thing. It's like out here, it's like you have to text and drive. It's very, very frustrating. Because like even on, you know, my MB, like, I mean, you guys know that is a loud bike, like a very loud bike. Like you can hear me like coming like up behind you from a while away. So when I'm like merging on and like, you know, I'm almost getting hit because people are texting and driving and not paying attention, like one is like, how can you not hear it? And then two, like, just pay attention, just put your phone down. Like, it's not that important. Whatever text you're sending isn't that important. Like, we have so much technology now, like there's so much hands-free technology. Like every damn car, you can use the car, like the steering wheel, like to make a call. So it's like, just call the person, stop texting everyone. Call them, say what you gotta say, and go on about your day. Like, I see people over here like texting like paragraphs and fucking books, and I'm just like, dude, like you're on the road, like pay attention. But yeah, like that's my little rant for the vlog. But yeah, I'll just fast forward this to, you know, when I get to the spot, and I'll catch you guys there. Getting separated from the group because we thought that the Super Veloce was leading, but apparently he thought the event was over. He thought everyone was going home, but luckily we're still here in Huntington, and once again it's starting to sprinkle. But I don't know, hopefully the event will be nice, Hopefully it won't rain too much on us. Every time, bro. Every time.